naked. I should be turning that direction. Oh no. Future naked. Was I on? I didn't. We'll just cut that out. We'll just cut that out.
Yes. This is going public.
So, way up there. No, we didn't get up there, but we got a lot closer than we are now. We believe this is draining most directly from Loch. And we'll just take a big view first. We'll roll back up and we got a tighter shot here.
Look at that.
Big choke stone there.
I know, right in the middle. See it? Yeah.
So we just passed by Loch again. Big lake. Wow, that's a pretty section right there. It's all pretty. Pretty. So it's pretty awesome, but I can definitely feel getting a little tired. Legs are, 3 days in a row, they're a little sore. Yeah.
I'm okay. My legs are okay after
They are?
Yeah, I do. I feel
right.
like
Well,
my
I feel it.
shoulders.
My legs acknowledge it. So, we're moving on. A couple miles.
Moving on. Couple. Sure. Mile and a half.